Hello, everyone. So my name is Chris, and I'm the marketing manager here at Wishpond. Hello, everyone. Let's restart this webinar. So my name is Chris, and I'm the marketing manager here at Wishpond. And today we're very excited to present our new feature, our new product that we just launched a few days ago. And today with me, we have Omar. Omar is the product owner of Wishpond. He's responsible for supervising all of the new features that we're launching in the platform. So please give a warm welcome to Omar. This is his first webinar with us, and for us, it's not our first barbecue. So hopefully you will enjoy it being with us, Omar. Hey, how are you doing today?
Doing good, Chris. Happy to be
Perfect, cool. So today we're going to be starting with a very short presentation showing you the most important features of our website builder. And in the next part, Omar will show you how the website builder actually works. So let me just, I hope you can see our screens. If you have any questions, please put them in the question and answer box, and just on it, we will through all the answers, through all the questions, and answer them at the end of our call, of our webinar. So today, I'm happy to announce that the website builder is available to Wishpond clients. And if you want to build a website for your business, please tell us, and we will register. And first of all, you can do it yourself, or we can help you also do it with our marketing team. So what's the most important part about our website builder? We spoke with a lot of small businesses and asked them what features are the most important, and like what parts of our marketing platform are the best and what they would like to see in our website builder. So many people responded that the feature they use the most are the marketing features. We thought that this is a great way for us to expand our marketing offering to give you even more complete marketing platform. And that's exactly what we built here. So we want to create this website builder for small businesses. This is a dedicated solution for small businesses, and all the features that you knew from our landing page builder are already included in the website builder. But it's even better currently because there are more features also integrated inside. So why should you use the website builder? So first of all, for small businesses, I think the main point is having all of the marketing resources, all of the marketing tools inside one platform. So you don't have to connect, like, for example, if you have a website built on WordPress or some other custom solution, then you have to connect like external solutions like Wishpond. But now everything is inside one box. So you don't have to connect everything. Everything is already connected when you start building. So tools like pop-up builder, like the appointments feature, like for example, A/B testing, or even forms are integrated natively inside our website builder. So this is the first and most important point. All the marketing tools you already love, they are inside our new website builder. What other things that you can do with our website builder? So effortless design, right? We already created the first initial template set that you can start with. We talked with our clients, asked them which templates would you like to see here to start off with your business, and they gave us a list, and we're basically currently doing and creating more and more templates. So we have the first initial templates available, and at the beginning of next month we'll add additional templates, and so on and so on. So we will continue growing our templates database. And you definitely cannot forget that our builder, our website builder, landing page builder, is a drag and drop tool. So that's excellent for people who want to build their website themselves. So sometimes there are other companies that have, like, it's a drag and drop, but not exactly what you see, what you get. Tool. And with us, you can drag the elements, put it where you want on the website, then optimize for mobile, and that's what you get. So that's a great solution for everyone. Fast and responsive websites. So you have the possibility to optimize the websites for tablets, for mobile devices, and you can preview everything inside the website builder. So everything looks just great, and there are no elements that are kind of like on top of each other. So that's another feature that we integrated into our website builder. Some very important thing is we know that for everyone here, marketing is like a very big part, right? So there is a part that's also SEO focused. So we know SEO is very important for our clients, and that's why we gave some additional SEO possibilities. So for example, in our landing page builder, you had only one possibility to edit the meta titles, meta descriptions, and here actually there are more possibilities to do it. Omar will get into the details in just a minute. So yes, drag and drop, I think I already mentioned this. So there are templates available when you start. There is drag and drop editor, and there is no coding required. So we tried to make our editor, like there is a possibility to add custom code sometimes, but we did everything to make it to make sure that without any code, the editor can be used by small businesses. And currently, these designs, these templates that are available, they don't use any additional code, so you can just use them right out of the box. And something that you probably know, but also please note this: you can connect your domain, right? So if you have a domain name, you can connect it. You can use your own, for example, I don't know, myflowershop.com or some other domain. But also, if you don't have a domain yet and you want to try out the website builder, you can try it out using our domain and just see if you like the editor. If it's something that looks appealing to you, that's great. That's exactly what we want from this product demo. And now I'm going to give the voice over to Omar, who's going to show you exactly how the website builder looks like.
All right. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Glad to have you here. Today, I'm going to be talking about the website builder, as Chris explained. Just to show you a quick summary of the features, what we have built, how you can use it to its full potential, all these good stuff. So when you first join Wishpond and log into your account, since we did the public release today for everyone that's here, you'll be able to find this pop-up just introducing you to the website builder, welcoming you, so you can directly just go ahead and start creating your website. If you're not interested at the moment, of course, you can skip this and try it at a later time. But for the sake of this webinar, we're just going to create our website. So I'm just going to start by creating a new website. And as soon as I go to the creation panel, as you can see here, we currently have 10 templates pre-built for different businesses and business domains. So we have ones for gyms, studios, books, boys' schools, charities, or even dentists and doctors. Or you can also start with a blank template if you want to get creative with your own website. So for example, I'm just going to create choose one of the pre-built templates. I'm just going to choose this one for real estate, and I'm going to call this the webinar real estate.
Something I wanted to mention also was, if for some reason you think there is another template that you would like to see us build, please message me and I will make sure that we pass this information over to Omar and our dev team and our design team, and we'll try to include it. But at the same time, we already have a big backlog of templates. So these are the initial ones, but next month there are going to be additional ones.
Thank you, Chris. And once you're all set up on your website editor, we're just going to go through a quick tutorial of how to use the editor. So through here, you can start adding content to your website. If you click here, you can see all the content you can add. The next thing is managing your custom components, or as we call them, global components. I'll get to that in a minute. And the last thing you want to be aware of is management of your pages. So you can see a page drop down here, and it opens the list of your pages and gives you all the control you need over them. So let's go ahead and start playing around with our website. As you can see, this is a pre-built template. So I'll find my header. It has the menu. It has my logo. It has all the sections. You can also find an action button for contact. You have the footer. You can also navigate to different website pages. So we're working on our real estate pages. So I'll find all my listings. This is all added via drag and drop. For example, maybe I want to just duplicate this section and just change the things I have in here. So I can just click here and select the image and maybe just change it to something different. I want to add more listings, all these things. Another cool thing you can find here is the forms. So we have content type, it's called form. Of course, you can only have one form on the page at the moment. And this allows you to just collect your customer information, allow them to contact you directly, add your location and just directions to your office. So let's say, for example, I want to update this form. I want to add a field to it, maybe let's say the last name or the phone number for the client. I can do that, and maybe I can go ahead and just reorganize them and just use the drag and drop here. And then let's say I just want to adjust them, have everything center aligned, and I'm going to get rid of the field text just to make everything look better. Then going back to the form, and through here I can just distribute them correctly. So now I have a built form that connects directly to you, getting emails and contacts from your clients. Something else I can do is set up my global components. So like I said, when I talk about global components, they're components that you can create in one place on the website and just repeat them or duplicate them on the website on multiple areas. And if you want to do any adjustments to these global components, you can do it in one place and it'll affect all the other places. So for example, we have our header, which contains the logo, the menu, and the background colors and images. So I'm just going to go ahead here and let's say I'm going to change the background from orange to, let's say, a lighter orange, right? And I'm going to do the same thing for the menu and just go for a lighter orange. Now, if I go to any of the other pages that contain the header, I'm going to find my header updated automatically on those pages. Same thing for the footer, since I have that set as a global component as well. So let's say I want to change this background from a gradient to maybe a blue gradient. Yeah, I know this doesn't go with the theme of the website, but just for the sake of the demo. So if I go back to any of the other pages, I'm going to find my footer updated with the new color that I did. If I'm unhappy with any of the changes that I do, I can just revert them and go back and I'll have everything reverted to what it was originally at. All right. So this is just a quick like overview of global components, what they can do for you. Just drag and drop, moving things around on your website. You don't need to have any coding background like Chris mentioned. You can just log in and start building your website from scratch. We also have the option to optimize your website. So you can optimize it to optimize how it looks on a tablet or how it looks on a mobile phone. This can be done automatically, or you can do it manually. And if you're using any of the templates that we have pre-built in the system, currently 10 going on hopefully 100 at some point, you'll have a lot of templates that you can play around with, adjust, and they'll also be pre-customized. So you don't need to do any effort on changing the customization for the website and how it looks.
Could you show us, Omar, also the preview of the template, not only like the editor, but also the preview, how it looks on mobile?
Yeah, definitely. So if we go to preview, it's just going to load up our website. Let's give it a second here. Right, and this is how our website will look on desktop. I can also change the preview from here. So maybe I want to take a look at it on a tablet, right? So this is how it's going to look on a tablet. And let's say I want to go to a mobile phone look, and I can click here and I can see my mobile phone version for the app. I can also switch between the pages and see how every page looks like. right? And just test it out before I do the final publishing for the website. As Chris mentioned, we also have very customizable SEO. So if you've used our landing page editor before, you have the option to go to the website settings, or we're going to call it the landing page settings, and just customize the SEO settings for the whole website, or the sharing settings for the whole website. Now, what you can do is you can go to the page settings itself, and you can just customize the SEO settings per page, just giving you additional control on how you want to market your website and how it gets listed on search engines and such. Also, we have control over the page visibility. So for example, let's say I built this page, the agents page, and I decided I don't want to release this at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click hide for this page, and it's going to be automatically hidden from my menu, and it's going to be automatically hidden from the website. So if anybody visits my website, they're not going to have access to that page. Another way you have control over page visibility is that you can go to the settings and just control who can access this page. So for example, you want this page to be only accessible through a certain campaign, or through a direct link, or through a certain set of people. So you can just go ahead and do that for pages. And I think the last thing I want to point out before we move on to questions, additional questions, is the publishing. Actually, we also have the A/B test. So for A/B testing gives you the ability to do multiple versions of your website, multiple variations, and publish them all at the same time. Just set different criteria for each one to maybe measure interaction, or measure some sort of statistics you want to do with the website. So one thing maybe you can do is adjust your homepage. Instead of having a big slider like that, maybe you can bring up the action button at the top and see if you have more engagement that way or not. Another way is maybe change the style of the menu, maybe have a featured product on the homepage on one variation of the website, a different featured product on through here. So you're just going to create an A/B test. You're going to have a duplicate of this website created in the same campaign, and you can just do your adjustments, publish both A/B test variations, and just start measuring your analytics. Last thing I want to talk about. Yeah, go ahead.
No, I just wanted to mention that a great A/B test could be, for example, using a form versus our appointments widget, right? So some people want to send a form and get into contact with you. Another one would be, for example, adding an appointment widget. So there are like many options here to A/B test. It only your only limitation is your creativity, and also if you need any help, we have like the support that can help you with setting things up, or your marketing team, as I mentioned previously.
All right, thank you, Chris. And the last thing I want to highlight on the website is the publishing part. As Chris mentioned, we have two options for publishing. The default one is publishing through Wishpond. So you're going to get a Wishpond link. It's going to be wishpondpages.com and then / the website number. But if for any reason you want to publish this directly to your own domain, just give it your own branding, and just make sure that the customers feel like they're at home when they visit the website. You're going to be able to edit the links. So editing the links can be through the Wishpond links as well, or you can connect a custom domain. To connect the custom domain, we can help you with that with our customer service on how to go about that. Basically, you'll need to do some adjustments on your domain provider, but once you have that all set up, you can just go ahead here, and let's say my website is omarzayed.com, and the path I want to set this website to is maybe real estate. All right, so I can go ahead and publish that, and if my domain is already set up to point at the Wishpond campaigns, my website will be live and people can visit it through that link. So these are the main things I wanted to highlight for the website builder. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them.
So we do have two questions in the chat box currently. If you have additional questions, don't be afraid and please ask them now. So the first one is from Ryan. Can we use HTML template on the blank canvas? So when you start, when you start the new, I think it was related to starting a new design, right? Ryan, can you confirm? Okay, but either way, I think it was, can you import, like, I think the question is, can you actually import an HTML template, right? That's the question.
All right, so I don't know the exact answer to that. I do know we can add custom CSS and JavaScript to our website. So I hope that answers your question. But in terms of using HTML templates, I'm not sure about that, but we can check and get back to you on.
Yeah, perfect. Let's check it with the dev team, because that's a great question. That could open up a whole bunch of possibilities for us. So, and for our clients. So let's check. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, the source code. Can we import the source code? Cool. Second question. Gaurav asks, is it available already? How can we get access?
Right. So, like I said, we are doing a public release today. So everybody that joined here should have access to the website editor once they log into their Wishpond account. But if you don't have access to it, just feel free to reach out to your account manager, and we can give you access manually if it's not appearing on your account as of now.
Exactly. So this website builder is already public. So if you enter your Wishpond account and you don't see it, there's the chat bubble. Just let us know that your account doesn't have the option activated, and we can just activate it. But all clients should have the website builder already available. So so those were like the two questions. One question that I wanted to ask you is, what planned in the future for this website builder? We know that there is, it was just released, but what are the plans from the product team for this builder? Is it finished? Are we leaving it in the corner, or what's the plan now?
All right, so we have a ton of features planned for this website editor just to come in the future, but just to keep you in the loop, the immediate feature we're working on at the moment is theme management. So as you know, every company has its own branding and own branding guidelines, their own color palettes, the fonts they're using, the styles, and maybe even the button styles. So that's the next immediate thing we're working on at the moment, should be out in the next couple of months. Basically, you'll be able to have a color palette set for your website, so you can use it all across the website without having to go through the color palette, choosing a color, and then remembering which color did you use. It's going to be quick access for you. You'll also be able to set text style templates. So you're going to have the styles for your headers, footers, paragraphs, button text, all that. And you'll also be able to set templates for your buttons. So let's say you're going to be reusing an action button on multiple pages of the website. So you can set that as a template for your theme management and just have it quickly added to any page on the website that you want.
Oh, that sounds great. That sounds like a huge time saver for everyone involved in building websites. Yeah. Great, cool. We have another question from Ryan, and the question is, are, I think, funnels possible with the website builder?
I would assume so. If they were available with the landing pages, we did not do any adjustments to that. So anything that was available with landing pages, we only added on to that when we build the website builder.
Yes. So currently, like when you were building the funnels, you could select like the next step and stuff. Those features are available. So so yeah, like just Omar said, everything that was already in the landing page builder, it's already inside the website builder, and there are also some additional features that were added on it. And the next question was, are there any pre-done funnels? No, they are not pre-done funnels yet, but we will look into it and see if we can make this happen for you, Ryan. Cool, perfect. Thank you very much, Omar, and thanks to everyone who joined our brief product demo. And if you have any other questions, if you have any requests or comments, just reach out to us, chris@wishpond.com, or just reach out to us through the chat bubble on the support through our customer support. Thank you everyone for joining, and have a great day.